So hi guys, and once again, welcome to our class about Shopify and e-commerce. In this class today, we're gonna see how to add a logo to our e-commerce. As I said at the beginning of this course, it's very important for you to have your logo ready because it's what will represent your business, what represents your e-commerce. So it's very important for you to create a logo. So this way people will remember your business better. It's gonna be easier for them to relate to your business by seeing your logo, let's say on an Instagram page or on any other page. When they'll see your logo, they're gonna relate to your business, and they'll be able to associate your logo with the business. So let's start. It's not that hard, honestly, it's very easy. We're gonna see some other features also. So the first thing you will do, you'll click on the customize button and it's gonna bring you here. So you will click on header. So your logo will be just there instead of backup. For the purpose of this course, I'm gonna use a normal image instead of a logo, but it works the same way. So you go here, select image and upload. After that, it's gonna open up your folders. You just find out your logo and you select it. As I said, for the purpose of this class, I'm gonna use a free image. So let's say we use this. So your logo should be here instead of this image. So let's say this image is the logo of my brand. So I can customize my logo. If I want it to look very small, I just reduce the white. If I want it very large, I can do the same thing and make it very large. I suggest you guys to keep it somewhere between 100 at like 100. 100 should be good. But 1 to 120. You don't want to have a too large logo. You don't want to have a too small logo. If it's too large, what's gonna happen is that you will have a lot of free space here and here, which is not very beautiful for a website, and also a lot of free space here. And if it's too small, well, not free, sorry, space where there is nothing. And if it's too small, it's the same thing. As you can see, no one will see your logo, and you have a lot of space. So something between 100 and 120 should be good. So 100, 115, it's perfect. So you have your logo here, you have your text here. After that, another cool thing I want to show you guys. If you want to announce on your website, you can do it. It's just by clicking on the button right here. So show announcement. Let's say, for example, you want to add, I don't know, a discount code, and you create your discount. So let's write something. Discount. Here you go. So that's an example. For example, so people who want who will come on your website will see this. Once again, it's not perfect at all. It's just an example. So for example, someone will come on your website and will see discount code on purchase of $500 and more. So that's the discount code. You can, well, there is other ways you can write it. It's not the best way. It's just as I said, for example. So the person will look at the discount code and you can announce this. So if you want to announce it, you just write it on the text right here. Very simple. If you want to change the color of this bar, once again, it's very easy. You just click on bar color and you can change it. Same thing for the text. So last thing that you can do on the header is modify the menu. If you don't like the menu, you want to, for example, remove it, you can. And instead, you can put the footer menu. So as you saw, as what we did on the last courses, we created like this, the private, all the policies. you see they're all here. The only thing that I did is instead of putting the main menu, I put it the footer menu. So we're gonna put back the main menu. So as you guys saw, to add up a logo here, very simple. Header, then logo image, simply change it. So let's remove it. Select image, you upload your image. Let's say my logo is this one. Select. Perfect. Then after that I can play with the custom logo white. If I want to add this little thing, I can show announcement or not. It's I decide. And if the text for the announcement, it's just there, so I can modify it. Perfect. So right now, guys, you know how to put a logo on your website. You know how to put an announcement bar just here. So see you guys in the next class, where we're gonna create a beautiful home page. Enjoy.